Today I want to show you how to install the ADSB feeder image under Hyper-V. If you run Windows 11 Pro, Hyper-V is part of the OS, so for the Windows users here, this may be a good solution, especially for a Stage 2 system, assuming that your Windows system is typically running 24/7. First, go to the adsb.im download page, scroll down and find the Hyper-V VM image. Click on the link and download the image. Now open the File Explorer and click to extract all of the content for that image. This will take a moment and now you have a new folder with the image content. Now we switch to the Hyper-V Manager, and in the Hyper-V Manager we say create a new virtual machine. With that new virtual machine, we start by setting a name. So for example, ADSB feeder. We must make sure to specify a generation 1 VM and click next. As for memory, 2048 megabyte or 2 gigabyte is typically plenty. You may need more if this is a Stage 2 system, but certainly for most situations this should be enough. Again, click next. Connect it to your default switch so that you have network configuration in the image. Again, click next. Now we need to connect the existing virtual hard drive. So we browse, and in the browser we go to our downloads folder and now the freshly expanded folder, and we pick that image here as our disk image. Click next again. The summary looks good and we can click finish. Once this process has finished, you can connect to that image, click on start, and now you can watch the console output for the first boot of the new feeder image. Typically this will take a few minutes. We'll accelerate time here for this video. Now that this is finished, you can see the IP address under which you can find the system on your network, and you can connect to this IP address using your browser. And now you can set up your new ADSB feeder image. I hope this video was useful. If there's other content you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below.